What's going on, everybody? Vasset here at Outdoors with V. Hope everyone's doing well. In today's product episode, I have a brand new tent that I just got last week. This is the brand new Mona one-person tent by OneTigris. Really excited to share this information with everyone here today. This is a first look, a preview at this brand new tent. Let's get started. All right, everybody, first, let's go ahead and start with a component breakdown of this tent. We'll first talk about the storage bag or storage sack. At the very top here, you'll notice that instead of a drawstring bag that OneTigris typically likes to go with, they decided to go with a roll-up style type of lid with a buckle as well. Let me go ahead and show that to you. So that is the lid and how it operates. I'll be honest with you, this tag is really starting to annoy me. Let's go ahead and cut it off. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and get right into it here and go over the inner components. We have tent poles, tent stakes, and guy lines. I don't feel a repair kit or extra like a pole repair kit or anything like that. In terms of the fabric, it looks like we have a ground sheet footprint, the rainfly, and the tent inner, the body of the tent here. Let's go ahead and set this up. So we have 8 tent stakes, and it looks like we have 3 guy lines. I just staked out the corners of this tent, and now let's go ahead and put together the pole. This tent features 2 poles. Both are shot corded. I'm gonna go ahead and put the shorter one to the side there. As far as the tent itself, on one side it features 2 pole inserts, and on the opposite end it only features 1. You're gonna line this pole, the longer one, accordingly to those pole inserts. So on one end you have 2 ends, and on this side you just have 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and line that up. On this side, I'm gonna go ahead and place these poles inside these inserts, like so. And these are very obvious, by the way. Very obvious. I'm gonna lay that down there, put some tension on these poles, and it's a lot easier for you to insert this in. And there you have it. From here, you want to go ahead and clip the tent body onto the poles. Let's go ahead and do that. You guys remember this pole here? So this is pretty easy. You got a sleeve on this side and a sleeve on the other. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put one end of the pole into one sleeve. You're gonna take your hand and you're gonna leave it there just like that. Because this is a semi-narrow tent, you can put your hand there, walk on over to the other side, mind your tent stakes. Take this sleeve. You're gonna have to pull on it a little bit, that way you don't accidentally miss it, and it goes right in. The shorter pole goes over top of the pole, the longer pole that is already on the tent. Just so you know, don't go under, go over with the shorter pole over the longer pole. All right, everybody, before we put on the rainfly, let's talk about my initial impressions of this tent. So a couple things. You'll see here that there is mesh and there is fabric. So there's a mixture of the two. Now, I would have liked to see more mesh around the entire tent. OneTigris elected to go with basically half of this side with fabric, and this is typically the side where backpackers like myself want to orientate in terms of sleeping. They want to put their head on this side, that way they can move around, spread out their shoulders, spread out their arms, so on and so forth. I will be testing this out on future backpacking trips, possibly truck camping trips as well. As far as the zippers, let's go ahead and test that out. These are YKK. Very, very smooth, as YKK zippers should be. No snagging or anything like that. Everything feels like it's tightly stitched. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and go inside the tent. I want to lay down in this thing and see how much space I have. I'm going to go ahead and do that. There's definitely enough room in here. I'm gonna go over these measurements and all the other details and specifications of this tent later in this episode, but I just wanted to show y'all me getting inside this tent here. It is comfortable, and I do believe for a one-person tent, there's definitely enough room in here, for sure. I think I can sit up, and if I need to change my shirt or anything like that, I can get on my knees here just like that. Yeah, there's definitely enough room in here, guys. Definitely. On the side here, there is storage, so you can put your keys in here, your wallet, so on and so forth. And on the other side, there's one here as well. There are also two places you can hook your headlamp or a lantern. You can see one hook here on my left side, and there's one right above my head at the very top there. All right, so in terms of the rainfly, if you're trying to figure out how to orientate the rainfly to the tent body, don't look for the zipper. For this particular rainfly, it's a lot easier. You remember those two tent pole inserts I was talking to you about on that end of the tent? You have two on this side. I'm gonna line these up on that side, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And you're just gonna take these pole inserts and you're just gonna slip them underneath of the pole insert that you've already placed this side to. So you're just gonna go underneath of it. And by the way, these points here, they are adjustable, which is a very good thing. The rain fly is on. I went ahead and staked the whole thing out there. Now there are 3 guy line points. There is one here. There's one here. And there's one on the other side. You want to look for the reflective black guy points here, which are reinforced. All right, everybody. Now it's time to talk about the rest of the specifications and details of this tent. One more time, this is the OneTigris MONA one-person tent. It weighs 3.6 pounds and it costs $179.99 on Amazon and $179.99 on the OneTigris website. The waterproof rating for the Rainfly is 3,000 millimeters. The waterproof rating for the footprint is 2,000 millimeters. The weight without the footprint is 2.9 pounds. Some of you like to travel without a footprint. Don't know why, but without it, again, 2.9 pounds. As far as the material, the fly and the mesh inner, that is a 20D nylon. The bathtub floor is a 40D nylon, and the footprint is a 75D polyester. As far as the poles, those are made of a 7001 aluminum. As far as dimensions, when packed inside the storage sack in inches, we're talking about 19.3 by 7 by 5.9. When set up, again, in inches, the dimensions are 87.4 by 38.9. Lastly, in terms of dimensions, the highest peak of the tent is 40.9 inches. We're talking about height. All right, everybody, with all that said, I am done. Thank you so much for joining me on this first look product episode at this brand new tent from OneTigris. I hope everybody has an awesome Sunday. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed the content. It definitely helps the channel. Have an awesome, safe, and productive week coming up. Till next time, everybody, take care.